Hey Tool Nuts, I'm Doug with toolnut.com. Today we're going to be unboxing the new Milwaukee M12 Cable Stapler. So to start off, this is being sold two ways by Milwaukee. This is, I'm showing the bare tool, meaning no batteries, no charger included. So if you're already part of the Milwaukee M12 battery platform, you'd be able to buy it this way. If you're not part of the battery platform, you'd want to buy the kit version. Both options are available on our website, and there will be a link here on our YouTube channel. So, stapler. Nice and compact, lightweight. Got a double, finger trigger there. Right here you have a belt loop hook, which is able to go to either side. So if you're lefty or righty on that, you have a fuel gauge here. If I pop in the battery, you'll be able to see, and you give the trigger a pull. Right now I got a full charge in the battery there. LED light built into the tool. This does have an anti-dry fire, meaning when you get down to, I believe, about 5 staples, it will stop firing, so that you're not firing it without any staples in there. Which is not good for the mechanism of the tool. A lot of the cordless and corded nail guns or pneumatic nail guns, staplers are coming with that feature now, so that you're not damaging the tool on that. Let's take this off and get it out of the way. Magazine right there is nice and easy, spring loaded for your staples. These are brand specific. You can see here, these are 20 count. This actually will hold 45 in the magazine. There's 20 and 20, so it's 40. And that's so if you get down to your 5 staples, when the anti-dry fire mechanism stops the tool, you can put 2 more full racks in there. And it's auto aligned. This is gonna spring load and push the staples as needed. You got a nice view there on the magazine to see that. You can see here on the battery that it's vertical instead, and that was to keep it shorter, to fit into tighter spots. This will do 10, 12, and 14 gauge sheathed wire. It'll also do like a utility cable or a Cat 5 wires variety. All the specs and other details, if I'm not covering something and you're not sure, are available, and you can view those at our website at toolnut.com. This will shoot up to 1,200 staples on a 2 amp hour 12 volt battery. So that's a lot of staples out of a battery. So you get a lot of use out of that. It should last most guys probably a full day or more, depending on what type of job you're on. So again, part of their M12 line, huge amount of tools available. So it's a great line to get into if you're not already into it. And it's just a lot more compact tools and whatnot. So staples real quick, and then we'll do a quick demo here. These are brand specific, so you do need to buy their staples. There are other brands with similar staples, but they will not fit. So you got to buy the Milwaukee branded staples. Those are also available on our website at toolnut.com. So these are 1 inch tall and 3/4 wide, so it fits a wide variety of types of cables. Again, we'll have all the types of cables that you can use this tool on listed on our website. So I reloaded that. Let's get on our safety glasses. And I just got a Cat 5 wire here. I'm just gonna go into a 2x4. This is spring loaded, so it should also self-adjust to set the depth here to that, to the staple, and you can see, not pinching it, leaves it just enough there, and then you could go down the line and just consistently sink your staples there. So this is, twice as fast than using a hammer to do this. A lot faster, more efficient, get a lot more done in the day, move on to the next job. Again, self-adjusting. For this and any other of the Milwaukee products, check them out now at toolnut.com.